This is a BMW owner in Indianapolis, but the 4S shop told the owner, the whole world can T-fix it. Can only be exchanged $3,000 a piece. You can get it for a few dozen dollars. We now disintegrate the shock absorber. Find out the reason behind the shock absorption leak. We can see clearly the oil spill is very serious. Abolished all the buffer glue. It's the culprit of the oil leak. Well, it's time to show off the real technique. The final stage must be tested before going out. Perfect repair. I saw this. Can you give the craftsman a heart?